Hi there, this is Kevin once again, and guys, in this video I will show you the fix for a SEO issue, that is duplicate field of FAQ page. So guys, if you know, there is a very good plugin available for WordPress named WPSC. This plugin is really useful for adding any FAQ contact information in your WordPress blog. So I was using this plugin for quite a while as a newbie, and you can see I messed up a lot with my SEO. I written one article on a news series, that is a scam 1992, where I added a lot of FAQs, FAQ 1, 2, and there are a lot of FAQs that I added. And once this article got published, it got indexed, and you can see, bam, I got a notification from Google Search Console that there is a duplicate field FAQ page on my site. So when I checked and looked around, I got to know that there is no fix for this issue yet. Like, people are asking it from last 1 year, 2 year, but still there is no fix. So here's a workaround that I did, and you can see I'm able to fix this issue, and I will show you a step-by-step guide how to fix this. So guys, without being more said, let's get started. So guys, for fixing this FAQ duplicate field issue, you need to use this tool that is named Structured Data Testing Tool. So this tool is really useful. What you just need to do, you need to add a URL and click on new test. As you click on a test, you will see the issues in your page which can be captured by Google Webmaster. So when I clicked on this, you can see previously it was showing 14 errors, and now I was giving it a try, and you can see I am able to fix up to I was able to fix all the errors. But for creating this video, I added these 3 errors so that I can show you how I can fix it. So for fixing this, what you need to do, let's go to this post, and this post is of my site. So what I will do, I'll click on edit this post. So when I click on edit this post, so what was the issue that I did? Open now. If I scroll down to the FAQ section, you can see what I did, guys. In the end, you can see there is one section for one FAQ, then another section for this another FAQ. So this is wrong. This is the same I did for all 14 FAQ questions, and then I fixed it. Now you can see what was the issue. What you need to do, you need to add only one FAQ option and then add different notes in that. Like, you need to click on plus add one over here, there is a button. So in one section of FAQ, you need to add multiple notes. This is the way. But what was the issue? What I did, I added multiple FAQ sections, one section over here, one section over here, lot of sections I added. So for fixing this, what I will do, you can see like, I'll just I'll just remove this section because it is already a duplicated section over here. And now what I will do over here, I'll click on add one over here, and then I will add my question. I'll paste my question over here, and then I will paste the answer. So as I paste the answer, now I'll remove this separate section of FAQ which I added in a wrong way. So now I have removed. Now I will update, and once update is done, next thing that you need to do is you need to go to your WordPress settings and click on over here, click on manage WordPress and click on flush cache. The flushing a cache is important, otherwise it will not get reflected. So I'll just wait for flushing. So you can see now cache is cleared. Now if I again run the same test on this tool, and you will get the link of this tool in the video description, as always there won't be any issue. Now if I click, I should not get any error for FAQ. So let's see. So you can see that's bam, guys, I'm having 0 errors for this. There is some error in article. I will have a look and I will fix it. Now next thing what I need to do, once this is done, I'll just click on validate fix. After clicking on the validate fix button, the validation has been started, and it will take some time, and this issue is gonna fix. And for checking this validation, I have already validated it using this structured data testing tool. So that's it, how we can fix this duplicate field of FAQ page in WordPress. I hope this will also sort out your query, and if you are facing any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. So that's it, bye bye, and have a nice day.